Hey YouTube, it's Iris at Moon Sprouts. Today I'm going to show you my top 5 drought-tolerant flowering plants that pollinators absolutely love. Coming in at number 5 is the crepe myrtle. The crepe myrtle is an ornamental tree or shrub. It comes in many different sizes and colors. It's extremely hardy and drought tolerant once the roots have been established, and it blooms beautifully in the late spring and early summer. Number 4 is going to be lantana. You do have to be careful with certain varieties of lantana that can be extremely invasive. This particular one is called the New Gold lantana, and it was bred specifically for Texas. It does really well, but it's not as aggressive as some of the other varieties. Number 3 is going to be the coral honeysuckle, also known as the trumpet honeysuckle. This is our native honeysuckle here in the United States, and it is not as invasive as many other varieties. It is the larval host plant for many moth and butterfly species, and it has beautiful long-standing blooms from early spring all the way into late summer. Coming in at number 2 is the mealycup blue sage. This is actually a member of the salvia family. This plant is extremely drought tolerant. It's wonderful for xeriscaping. It blooms in early spring. It's actually starting to go to seed right now, but in the early spring, it is just buzzing with pollinator activity. And coming in at the top of the list is one of my all-time favorite plants. It's called autumn sage. It is also a member of the salvia family. It comes in a variety of different colors. It is extremely drought tolerant. It is extremely low maintenance, and it blooms beautifully multiple times a year. You can get it to bloom up to 3 times in a year. It is an evergreen perennial, and the pollinators absolutely love it. Hey y'all, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another video. I'll see you next time.